Welcome to our channel. If you received a Bank of America gift card, follow these step-by-step instructions to activate it online and start using it for purchases. Step 1. Locate your Bank of America gift card and find the website URL printed on the back or on the accompanying documentation, typically bankofamerica.com, gift card. Step 2. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and navigate to the activation website. Step 3. Look for the activation section or button on the homepage. Step 4. Enter the gift card number, which is typically a 16-digit number located on the front of your card. Step 5. Provide the 3-digit security code found on the back of the card next to the signature panel. Step 6. Enter your personal information as requested, including your name, zip code, and email address. Step 7. Review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree if required. Step 8. Click the Activate or Submit button to process your request. Step 9. Wait for confirmation that your gift card has been successfully activated. Step 10. Check your email for a confirmation message from Bank of America. Step 11. Your gift card is now ready to use for online and in-store purchases wherever Visa is accepted. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.